How to fix songs not playing in YouTube Music in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, open YouTube Musics, and then here you can see the option on top right corner. You can see the account. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now here you can see the option playback and restrictions. Now click on it. If you turn on stream via Wi-Fi only option, then turn it off. After turning this button off, then go back to your home screen and open settings. Now click on general and then click on iPhone storage. In iPhone storage, scroll down and click on YouTube Music. Now here you can offload your YouTube Music's app and reinstall it. Now click on offload app and then click on reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.